How to extract files from a multi-part zip archive. Extracting files from a multi-part zip archive can seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and steps, the process is straightforward. Multi-part zip archives are used to split large files into smaller, more manageable pieces for easier storage, transfer, or sharing. Understanding multi-part zip archives. A multi-part zip archive consists of several files that together make up a single compressed archive. These files usually have extensions like .zip, .001, .zip02, and so on. To successfully extract the contents, you need all parts of the archive. Tools you will need. 1. 7-Zip, a powerful and free file archiver for Windows. 2. Unzip, a command line utility available on Unix-like systems, Linux, Mac OS. Extracting on Windows using 7-Zip. Step 1. Install 7-Zip. If you don't already have 7-Zip installed, you can download it from the 7-Zip official website, www.7zip.org. Follow the installation instructions to set it up on your computer. Step 2. Locate your multi-part zip files. Ensure that all parts of the multi-part zip archive are in the same directory. For example, you should have files named archive.zip.001, archive.zip.02, etc. in the same folder. Step 3. Extract the archive 1. Right-click on the first part, open the folder containing your multi-part zip files. Right-click on the first part of the archive, e.g. archive.zip.001. 2. Select 7-Zip, extract here. In the context menu, hover over 7-Zip. Choose Extract Here or Extract to Archive. 7-Zip will automatically detect the subsequent parts and combine them during the extraction process.